I see the leaves that is falling. I heard the songs of the lovebirds singing. Lifted up my head on high, asking to God something. God, where is she that you have prepared for me? God calls me in a deep sleep, and while I slept, He took one of my ribs. God made you for me and from me. You are my missing rib, the most precious part of me. You are my missing rib, the missing piece of mine. You are my missing rib. God choose you for me. You are my missing rib, the one who will complete me. This at last is bone of my bone and flesh of my flesh. You are my missing rib.